The item inquiry is used to show the available and total quantity of an item in inventory. It's reached by selecting the inventory icon and then the inquiries icon, then the item inquiry. So we enter the item number we want to review. Optionally, we can enter a range of warehouses or a range of locations. Then the screen displays the inventory of this item by warehouse. If I select one of the warehouses and select warehouse details, then this shows me the inventory by location in that warehouse. If the item is not location controlled, then it will not show this. If I ask for the location details, then I will see, in this case, the handling units which relate to this item. I can select any of these handling units, and if it were a parent, I would also see the child structure. In this case, it isn't. If I select a lot controlled item, then the information looks very similar. I still see at a warehouse level how many I have in stock. If I select one of the warehouses, then I see how many there are in each location in that warehouse. If I select the details, in this case, instead of taking me to handling units, it shows me the lots that are available. And if I then select one of those lots, then I will see any handling units that are associated with it. If I select a serial controlled item, then again I see by warehouse how many I have in each warehouse. I can select and I can see how many there are in each location, and then I can select the location details and I'll see the serial numbers that are in that location. Again, if this item was handling unit controlled, then I would see which handling units relate to which serial number as well.